My name is Clarisse. I'm 26 and I have been an INTERREG volunteer, an IVY, for 6 months now at the OECS. My main activities were helping to find out lead partners according to each project we have here, because the OECS has a lot of project ideas, and to be able to benefit from the INTERREG funds, we need European lead partners. A second main activity was about helping the ongoing projects to keep going, checking the communication plan if they were respecting the INTERREG requirements. 3 things I liked about my Lucian life. It's not about being corporate or whatever, but the first thing I will mention would be the OECS family. Saint Lucia is not home, but I really felt home thanks to the people of the commission. The second thing that I appreciated here was the Lucian mindset. People are very welcoming, and when they learned that I was not from Saint Lucia or an English-speaking country, they were really surprised and helping, giving me pieces of advice everywhere I was going. Something else I appreciated in Saint Lucia is the nature. As I like hiking, that's a huge asset of the island. To conclude, I'll say that you learn a lot about our Caribbean neighbors. There are a lot of things happening in our region. I hope that we'll be, as French people, more and more involved, because there are wonderful opportunities, and this IVY is one of them.